We've all been there. You see them across the room, your heart skips a beat, your mind races. How do I get them to notice me without making it awkward? The good news? Psychology has the answer. There are proven techniques, subtle, powerful hacks that tap directly into the way the human brain processes attraction. And when you use them right, you'll stand out in your crush's mind without even trying too hard. Today, we're diving into 8 psychological hacks to make your crush notice you, all backed by science, explained step by step, and easy to apply in everyday life. Stick around until the end, because hack number 8 is one of the most underestimated, yet the most powerful way to make someone see you differently, forever. Hack 1. The spotlight effect. Stand out naturally. Here's a secret most people don't know. We overestimate how much others notice us. Psychologists call this the spotlight effect. The truth? People aren't paying as much attention as you think. And that means if you want your crush to notice you, you have to create a moment of contrast. Wear a colour that subtly stands out in the environment. Red, for example, has been shown in studies to increase perceived attractiveness. Make a small but noticeable move like taking the seat near them, asking an engaging question in a group, or even being the one who starts a light joke. Your crush's brain is wired to pick up on novelty. By stepping just slightly outside the background, you instantly register on their radar. And here's the best part, you don't need to be loud or flashy, you just need one intentional move that signals, I'm here. Hack 2. The power of mirroring, create instant rapport. Have you ever found yourself copying someone's gestures without realizing it? That's mirroring, and it's one of psychology's strongest bonding tools. When you subtly mirror your crush's body language, leaning in when they lean in, matching their tone of voice, or even adopting similar phrases, their brain registers familiarity and trust. This works because humans are wired to like people who are like us. Mirroring communicates similarity without a single word. For example, if your crush uses animated hand gestures, use yours a little more. If they laugh softly, match their rhythm. Do it subtly, not like an imitation. Done right, it creates unconscious rapport, making them feel comfortable and drawn to you. Hack 3. The name trick. Personal connection. There's one sound that lights up the human brain more than any other. Our own name. When you use your crush's name in conversation, you trigger a feeling of recognition and intimacy. It's Psychology 101. A person's name is tied to their identity, and hearing it makes them feel seen and valued. Instead of just saying, that's funny, say, that's funny, then the name of your crush. Instead of, how was your weekend? Say, how was your weekend, then their name. It's a small shift, but it strengthens the bond. Over time, they'll start to associate positive feelings with you, simply because you made them feel important. Hack 4. The dopamine effect. Shared excitement. Here's a powerful truth. People often confuse adrenaline with attraction. Psychologists call this misattribution of arousal. If you and your crush do something exciting together, like riding a roller coaster, going to a concert, or even laughing at a funny movie, the rush of dopamine and adrenaline gets linked to you. Their brain literally thinks, I feel excited when I'm with this person. So instead of suggesting something ordinary, invite them to something that sparks energy, a new cafe, a trivia night, a comedy show. The more memorable the experience, the stronger the emotional bond. Hack 5. Strategic eye contact. The glance and hold. Eyes don't lie. And when it comes to attraction, eye contact is magnetic. But here's the hack. It's not just about looking at them. It's about how you look. Try this. Hold their gaze just 1 second longer than usual. Then look away. Combine it with a small smile. This creates what psychologists call a micro moment of intimacy. That tiny pause tells their subconscious, there's something here. Studies show that even 2 minutes of mutual gaze between strangers can increase feelings of closeness. So imagine what a few well-timed glances with your crush can do. Hack 6. The scarcity principle. Be valued, not overlooked. Humans value what feels rare. Psychologists call this the scarcity principle. If you're always available, always texting first, always lingering, your crush might start taking your presence for granted. Instead, create a balance. Be warm but not overbearing. Be present but also busy with your own passions and priorities. Let them see you living fully, with or without their attention. Scarcity makes your time and presence more valuable, and when they get it, it feels like a privilege. Hack 7. The reciprocity trick. Small favours build bonds. This hack is rooted in the Benjamin Franklin effect. The idea people tend to like you more when they do small favours for you. Sounds backwards, but here's why. When someone invests effort in you, their brain justifies it by thinking, I must care about this person. So ask your crush for something light and non-intrusive. Can you recommend me a playlist? Do you mind holding my drink for a sec? Could you explain this to me? These micro moments of reciprocity plant seeds of connection. Over time, their brain weaves the narrative. I must like them. I'll keep helping them. Hack 8. Consistency, the hidden superpower. Here's the hack most people overlook: consistency. Attraction isn't built overnight. It grows from repeated exposure and reliable behavior. Psychologists call this the mere exposure effect. The more often we see someone in a positive context, the more we like them. But it's not just about showing up. It's about showing up authentically, being kind, reliable, and genuine every time. In a world full of mixed signals and ghosting, consistency is magnetic. It makes you stand out as trustworthy, the kind of person worth noticing and keeping. So let's recap the 8 psychological hacks to make your crush notice you. 1. Stand out with the spotlight effect. 2. Mirror their body language for instant rapport. 3. Use their name to build intimacy. 4. Create dopamine with shared excitement. 5. Master the glance and hold eye contact. 6. Apply the scarcity principle, value yourself. 7. Use reciprocity to build bonds. 8. Show consistency, the superpower of trust. These aren't manipulations, they're psychology-based insights into how humans connect. Use them with respect, authenticity, and kindness, and you'll find your crush not only notices you, but begins to truly feel drawn to you. Which of these hacks will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments, I'd love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more love psychology insights here at Love Logic Lab UK. Because love might feel like magic, but here, we show you the science behind it.